you got hip pain, you want to do the shrug to eliminate this hip pain. So maybe your hip pain is causing you to go to limp like this, right? You're walking like this, right? Like this. Maybe it's in the joint right here, or maybe it's in the butt right here, right? So what you want to do is you want to do the shrug, do the shrug, do the shoulder shrug, the shoulder shrug, do the shoulder shrug, shoulder shrug. Why? This shoulder corresponds to this hip. It's connected, okay? So if this hip hurts, you're going to shrug this shoulder right here. Do the shoulder shrug. You can do a second thing. You can actually massage this shoulder, okay? Intensify that shrug. If it's on the bone, the hip joint, then you want to rub the joint on the shoulder, right? But if it's more in the butt area, then you want to massage more of this deltoid muscle, this muscle right here, while you do the shrug. So do the shrug for less hip pain. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And I came to Yen Acupuncture back in April, early April 2009 for severe neck and hip and back pain. The treatments have been outstanding. I've actually have no more neck or hip or back pain. You know, I started out you know, very skeptical, and now I'm just convinced that acupuncture is the way to go, and Dr. Yen has just helped me completely. And I recommend Yen Acupuncture to anyone who feels pain or any sort of discomfort. This is the way to go.
Butt pain, do the leg hurdles to decrease that butt pain. Here's what you got to do. Get on the floor, put something in front of you, okay? And you're just going to lift your legs. Put your arms to support, lift your legs over this tissue box. Do this for 5 minutes, okay? If it hurts, just do it 30 times. Now you can make it more advanced by putting something higher, so you can lift your legs higher. This is going to be for any type of sciatica pain, you know, hip pain, piriformis pain. This is all very effective. You just keep doing this, okay? Support yourself on the back so you don't fall backwards. And it's really loosening up these joints, loosen up that piriformis, your SI joints, okay? Do this every day. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, Jimmy Yen here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health, and we're going to continue the topic of how to get rid of that pain in your butt. Today I'm going to teach you how to stretch it out, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to get your left leg, you're going to bend your right knee, both knees, you get your left leg, put it on top of your right knee, okay? And then I'm going to go sideways. Then you're going to lean back and you're going to stick your hand in between your legs, and you're going to pull on your right leg, and this is really going to stretch that glute, okay? It's called a piriformis stretch. This will really help any of that butt pain that you're having, okay? So again, you can do opposite legs. You're going to stretch this butt right here, okay? I already taught you the acupressure, the QRA acupressure, and today I taught you how to stretch it out. So both of these together should help you take away the pain.